Vacations are fun for the very special memories that we make. Seaside towns are especially special because there are little souvenirs that you can pick up while you're on vacation at the beach with family, good food, and special memories, picking up special things at the beach like sea glass, and which is what we really like to do when we were together. And sometimes crabs, of course. And also the cute little stores that have artwork from the beach. I simply just get a lot of ideas from them. And back home in California, I discovered this little place not too far away from where I live called Glass Beach. And guess what? There's a lot of glass, a lot of sea glass. Well, I don't know. It's bay glass. It's not as processed as the sea glass from the rushing wave and rough waves of the ocean. But these are really special because they have been there from a dump site since the 80s. So this just sparked a little bit of imagination on me. So I realized that I really like these things. And what can I make for you guys out of it? So I go home and I get myself a tumbler and sacrifice some of my old blue glass collection, broke them and tumbled them all with some rocks, and this is what I got. It is pretty interesting, and all of the things that I am going to make with these things. But I started out with something cute that's going to go on my car, my rear view mirror, hanging a little ornament so I can remember the good times and the special times that I spent with my family in a seaside town picking up sea glass. Isn't that special? Sometimes you get a spark of an imagination just from going on vacation. Your brain never stops. It just keeps going, giving you special memories from a special event, like a vacation with family. I realize how hard it was to drill through these things. It's so hard. And so I had to get diamond drill bits, the little ones that'll fit my tool. And it took me forever to make just the holes for these things. And I didn't realize how hard glass was really. I guess especially when it's tumbled like that, it changes the makeup of it. So you have to do it really carefully, especially protecting yourself with it. And the tool also gets really hot, so you have to submerge it in water and occasionally splash water to it to keep it cool. And guess what? The glass stays cool for a while. While I was doing this ornament, the glass was so cool. And look, isn't that cute?
Ta-da!